chairman back one in your encounter chairman ne pacho no bribe no. Nam say Ghana I say
but not the money. And as I may friend what may buy chain I was for me to other Roma. I'm working on a bit my boy.
Chairman.
Papa.
Me reasonable human being.
So William Gresham, you see, I'm saying Okatakyie Lεaked the same spirit. It's not about party. It's not about NPP, NDC, even the new force. It's about Ghana. Now, who chairman, NPP chairman, who ye Galamsey, na yache wo boy, I was yen jano, because Sabi or your boy. And nothing I yet to be fighting Galamsey, no. That is why we can never fight Galamsey. Because the campaigns, those who are doing Galamsey, they are all what? The governing government or no war. So how do you fight it? Or Petumia no. It's all catch Nkofo oba Galamsey na ye person fight no obeyi Nkofo no e de pie ena me chawa de wo NDC NPP adwen wo NDC adwen NPP for the omo no mu yo e no omo anu no ye say they will stop it NDC man so no so bana wo opposition leader also me ba me jam no mama ye Galamsey ni mo ko Johannesburg South Africa okọ kura ye mine wo ho a mine no etese heaven me call da ba me senior brother call ono US also call Johannesburg also Joburg person USA because omo nyansa omo say Security says you call my Kwabwa Setakwa a free poto. Ye mining towns no Jimmy onsi ye Jimmy promo promotion Jimmy Jimmy double. Hello, I expose this batch from Ben Bruce. On subscribe my the two pet Nasim. Video be a me chance upon and then person me no che. Na me make sure 3 videos. Me person me show the difference between NDC, NPP and the new force. Now we are all informed choices where the anyam na make us about tomorrow. Na enra anwumre na me te hwa na me hu barema Okatakyie a oye dma Angel FM. As say oye NPP ni mapawo ba wa fato say Galamsey no obegu no. Na places be all kono most of them no ye NPP chairman there. Na chairman back one in nya encounter chairman ne pacho no bribe no. Na say Ghana I say. Na person ko hwe video ni ba na ba me bie bibi so acho yen komra.
There is a Ghana for accountability. Medical friend one certainly. Ne asama police ya friend ha sir. Eti I am ready amomi entie Aluta frey no. First call mumi entie.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Since a good evening.
But you want you?
But you Aluta new.
But you Aluta?
Gabbing chairman.
Gabbing NPP chairman.
NPP chairman.
Oh, okay. Okay, chairman Kwaba.
Yeah, yo.
What do you
I the boko. No, I'm calling to be a friend. I got a party for you. I boom for sight, baby. I'm also a bit pure, boy, back with your matching.
I'm chairman, but you're okay.
Okay.
Annie.
We Muslim music can okra. Wadaruma evende.
Chairman, but you don't person you know.
Say me wana mami baako frɛ me. Me woman organizer baako. Frɛ me say ne ba no koye adwuma wo ho. Koye security. Ana ma pato no wa no mache no. Ojina phone no so tietia mu frɛ me na. Ono akotine ko pɛ wo number no de mami. And as I may friend what may buy chain I was after me to other Roma. I'm working on a bit my boy.
Chairman.
Papa.
Me reasonable human being. Na if you say there ni plan me ya na ebi amenti me ho ase kakra bi problem say there na trigger na ko bi foforo. We minua no. NPP ni say dem NPP ni no. nipa no ya che no wabodin obodin so na site ni audience nti so afre me na pese okasa ma me use antics ne theatrics na no na esa so de ma adwene di agro oh yes apera de ma adwene di agro bis me peni ba de ma adwene di agro e se wo na site ni odia nti odia kasa na menti chama kasa na menti
hello
chama ba chomiti o
I said the land mu ekikano
the mechense we me ana menua no chairman we NPP chairman me to NPP no nya chairman ye nyina ye NPP Josu Dwabe messe agahene ubusa na se okrom ha wo mo na boa me build Josu Dwabe kwesi we say ji agahene so what na Dwabe constituency no mo acha you should know agahene papa kokusi 1996 ibe nyina wo mo na build NPP no ya in crofin fan we ya Josu Dwabe DC kufu no fan no e di NPP no ya nye bi nche obi
dunia ni afa akoma
Mujina mimi no.
Oh. Sara.
Ntu afra odi akasamiti.
Mpajo tesi ana we.
Bobo fa.
Na kamisi awo.
Odi bobo fa me bedi ampese kranti. E be se de guy no ko so wo kono ngoba bedi ampese wi anza na me na koshim.
Oh, adaroma. Odi me ba. Why?
Mate.
Adaroma me ba. Ntu afra kuma no bi o.
Eda bi mi wo na o me sport o sisia.
Oh. Na we kra okay. Na me pa the number kra na me nya no. Pacho me ba. Why?
Mate.
Pacho me tuka ba.
Mate.
Yo. Kali nzo nyama bezi ni.
We be jabi.
Me ba. Why?
All right, Jam.
This onya bi di.
Wo sense say na we are say papa say abodi yen kodua no we. Ba yen kodua no we.
Anu ba na ka na masanwe.
Okay, so mo hold you answer, mo the rest of the audio. Chairman no atoso. O be pep ambesi adi. Also sense say adi dua bodi adi.
O kan ni dia pese na bi no ba be
there is a longer version of the audio.
So William Gresham. You see, I'm saying many Okatakyie Lεaked the same spirit. It's not about party. It's not about NPP, NDC, even the new force. It's about Ghana. Now, who chairman, NPP chairman, who ye Galamsey, na yache wo boy, I was yenjano, because Sabi or your boy. And nothing that yet to fight Galamsey, no. That is why we can never fight Galamsey. Because the kingpins, those who are doing Galamsey, they are all what? The governing government or no for. So how do you fight it? Now Okatakyie, we're taking this fight to the next level. Also on care or wukra, his line should be on the line because Sebe or Chesson Ghana, ye Jimina, ye yana. While funny clan to walk, not Sebe. While one cook or Ghana, Jimiano and Becos Watcher. And no, me share sweat to say tea. In Ghana, no, say Ghana news you. Meanwhile, these people know what is happening. And still, they are pretending as if they are fighting Galamsey. Meanwhile, I am call for the Galamsey, no. Ghana man send ye Jimmy. Because he knows, say, I won't call for the year. So why is he not fighting his own people? Share people now and then, I'm going to V8 money, no, I'm going to Galamsey people. Galamsey no more, yeah. Chairman, no, your video one. Galamsey man. Ah, all patches say yenja the boys. O to so na say no, or say koko no, and they koko say or say no. And I will be surprised. This man will go scot free because no security man can touch him because the whole power is invested in the president. And the president is one question, and then I make us say, yeah, constitution and your constitution. Because I am the presidency in Jubilee. We have been hearing you say that people who are Jubilee, they are doing the Galamsey. Why are they not being what? Exposed? I expose GH. I am expose you, Amano. Daddy. We need transformation of mind. Yafa went on chain. Namutenia, John Mama's also no oba release. They are finally saying, I'm going to show I'm Galamsey for. Me sure bibi. Ya go esa video ni somra.
Ezu. Yeba. Omo chi omo Galamsey no. Omo atu omo mu. Yeba ma omo amnesty no omo asaba.
Meanwhile,
ona ne kasa ase no ma ubia. Tinsi amohu no ha no. Obehunu say the land in the Obeka na meboa after on the 11th, that on the 7th no. And she say ya wo ho e de mam because on one better kwat na ho. Say the be ya yenu anu mo bre o mo ya dwuma che kakra. Mo tu de nya sa ase ni bi. Na so ya sa e de machine so so se wa mam. A obeka akọ han. Na so de aba be ya dwuma. Na so do krom no nko ko so aye e di hie. Enti wo kwa akoto aba no a e John Dramani Mahama e tu da Anton Obi ono ana John Dramani Mahama suma ne John Dramani Mahama suma ne so me ke ho see no e Ghana for dia e kwa papa bi obefa so na odi bia ye bie na ne ho akọ no bia no obefa so wa ye dey wa ye ama die e wo mu details die papa yi e be kire mu e hye ya o mampani John Dramani Mahama ahye a wode ba be ma ho aye dey atom na onto adwuma na mo ye wa bo ho ban onto aye sika ama onto di aye wadwuma so e na Galamsey e koso pa NDC keso denu ya no mo ma akọ eto ne ma fra so to ne ma ne eto u ko dwuma ko na ye Galamsey wo so be do ne abio store kakaka wo tu bitata na kura se se ne abio store ho no enso nei obekọ na stores ni nyina aye dey egu we hia ne kom dwuma ma so oba obeke wo kena ma dwuma na ta aye dey aprija na mo nyina akade a mo de be ye dwuma ye pese adwuma ne be Galamsey ye beto Ghana beto Galamsey ana ye dwuma na ye no nso sisie na do Vanguard for no mo da so ho and the prayer sa crackers say ye to aba wi a mo be say sa Vanguard ni mu kuna ye ntena say e ma aba we megu adwuma tie enti no mo ye adwuma na ye pese be wasi mu nyina mo time mo mfere mabusuafo na mo make sure say aba no ye nyina ko to ama John Dramani Mahama ye de wo mu ni yenim say nyame bo amande na eto aba no ye ne mo site owners for be kasa yenim say bi mu be ko srem ebi mu be ko be bebre so mo ko so be mu so be to aba wa ya nti na ne kasa after by Friday omu break mu na obi antumi enya pepeye no ntumi antumi fa na busuafo na Monday ni duru a ye nyina ye de ko to aba ye to aba ni wie enye say ye ko ye bet na ho ama wa bobo aba na wie na ye Galamsey for ye make sure say aba na ya to ama na ye Mahama no ye tumi akan na Mahama ye de ntumi na ye to aba ni wie on the 7th on the 8th on the 9th ye bo aba na Mahama ye wini na mo mra be ye boduma obi ale
aha won obi a oyo opposition leader ope power aba ujina ho se oba ube releasing Krofua court of competent jurisdiction yadomatum you are going to release them opetum ye no eti Okatakyie Krofua so oba Galamsey na ye pese fight no obeyin Krofua no e de apie ena me chawade wo NDC NPP again wo NDC again NPP for the omo no mu yo ena omo anu ye say they will stop it NDC man so no so bana wo opposition leader also me ba me jam no mama ye Galamsey anymore but check this Yakopon oboya no oboya boafo chada okaba Galamsey yakoye video nimra
Galamsey, okay, illegal mining, it is destroying our country. The sad thing is, it's not our country people that destroyed our country. They were still doing illegal mining. We could have controlled them. But we let in the Chinese, and there are millions of Chinese in our country. And they mine 24/7. Now all our waters are poisoned. And the food that we're starting to eat is this same water system that is feeding the ground. So, believe it or not, in the next 10 to 15 years, don't be scared if you see any children with 3 eyes or 7 fingers. It's happening already. Okay. Now, for me as a leader, the first thing I will do is I will stop the foreigners who are destroying my land. In fact, if the Chinese are hearing me, I will probably put hundreds of thousands of them under house arrest and call the Chinese president that this is what you've done to my country. You have caused 33 million people's lives. And therefore, you are going to be responsible for building and fabricating all our next plants that will recycle this water again for us to get our life back. And after, I will release your 100,000 people to you after 4 years of hard work to fix my country.
Someone will send me okasa. I say media me bapa me go after the people. Because meaning say Galamsey has always been there. But I didn't know any problem. Not there were no heavy duty machines involved. China for bear muno and na sabe and na Ghana. Yes, see. Oko Johannesburg, South Africa. Oko Kuaya mining wa mining at heaven. Me call that my senior brother call or no US or so call Johannesburg or say Joburg FSC USA. Because I'm one yansa, I'm say first can see you call my kwa was a free poto. Yeah, mining towns, no. Jimmy, Jimmy, promo, promotion, Jimmy, Jimmy, double. Because, and yes, sir, I can your mining towns in Nano, we have nothing to show. We have nothing to show. It will say, China, Mona say mine, match them on crop for, and I'll make sure, say, must see mine before I will release them. Where again, because only for you to solve a problem, you need to know what the fundamental of that problem. Where when the fundamental of that problem, you can never solve the problem. NPP NDC normally, but they are the fundamental problem, so they can't solve the problem. Chanda say, I am coming alone, me on the wings of any party politics. I am coming for Ghana into a year or yet in the interest of Ghana. Now when you know my child 3 videos. Matuama December 7th. Sabatua ba my NPP NDC and wasem. Me there, Matua Machada. Because when Cratch me say, send me the parties train to new force pen no more Ghana Hwakin. Nia can in a lip service. Ya become ni ako. It was so would hear me. Marco Motini Yajuma. On December 7th, the new force Otua. Now watch talking because Ghana is going to rise again. I expose you HFM members, but also subscribe here. Subscribe, not be senior Manuel. Bye bye.